Hi, it's me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from T3 Naya. It's from a video called -1:? It was uploaded a year ago on January 25th. The duration of the sound effect is 0:56 to 1:36. The low theme music will be removed at the beginning and end. I will show you this sound effect right now. It sounds like this. See, this is how the farting sound effect sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in on the toilet. Arg. Gotta tighten my tummy and push that poop out from my butt. Whoa, that feels so nice. Remember kids, if you need to go to the bathroom, just use this sound effect. It starts at 0:56 and ends at 1:36. Make sure you remove the low theme music at the beginning and end, okay?